world, in the history of India. So can you guess who is that? So that is none other than Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj. So like Kshatriya's king, who is meant to be the most powerful king by his practice styles. So when he used to practice from that time, he is one of the best fighter and one of the most smartest person in planning these things and all. So I'm going to tell you guys his story. So he born on 19th February in 16th century. So he was one of the best king, right? So before that, when he was a kid, his mother used to tell him the stories, the pain, like how people used to be in India, like because of Mughals and all, how they used to suffer. Every single thing her mother used to explain him, and he used to remember all the stories, all the fights, and she used to tell him the religious stories, that how different religious people stay together and work together. So like that, from the childhood only, Shivaji had a negative point in his mind for the Mughal peoples. So from that time only, he had a very big goal. The main goal, what he had to do is fight against Mughal peoples. So he did that. So we know how he was the first person who like fought against them, because they were ruling all like whole India, almost the whole India, and he won many matches against them. So how he did, why he did it all. So this is the story about like that. So one day Shivaji was he was 20 years old when he got married to a girl called what Sahabai. So she was a very beautiful girl, and she used to always be with him and support him. Then his mother and his father used to give him a very big, strong training about. His mother used to teach him mentally, and his father used to teach him physically. So he was a very good king, right? So before that, his father took once, so like first time, he took to the royal kingdom to him, where there were Mughal emperors. So he hated them. So he didn't wanted to be good with them. So when he came, his father taught him everything. Like you should tell like this only. Don't make mistakes. Don't mess up everything. So he went there, and he before sitting he went down and he told Namaste, and he sat. So Mughal emperor got angry. So he told like, who is this boy to the king? So he was like, this boy is my son. He's new. He came first time to the royal palace. So first time to this assembly. So please forgive him. He don't know how to behave and all. So Shahaji was very angry that day because of the treatment of that Mughal emperor to his father, and he was really very angry. He came back, and as soon as he came back, he went to bath, and he told that old king has made me dirty. And his father heard that, and he became very angry, and he scolded him. And he told that, I don't like that father. When I will become a king, the first thing I will do is fight against them and win. And so like that, he grown up and he practiced everything. He learned how to rule people. And his father used to send him for practices to fight against small kingdoms. He did that, and he fought against many places, and before becoming the actual king only, he built up a large army of his own, and like that he once what happened when it was a time to Shivaji to become the king. Then he became the king. He was a really very kind person and a lovely person. Everyone in his kingdom loved him. And the first thing he did after becoming the king and sitting on that chair, he went to the temples and the places where people need. He gave them clothes, he gave them food. He was a very kind-hearted person. So the Mughal emperor, who was like the another Mughal emperor, who is the main person leading on India, so he became very angry. So his name was like Aurangzeb. So he's a very famous in our The people meant to say that when he used to go out and all, he used to walk on his foot and used to climb trees and take some fruits and eat. He was a very common and kind-hearted person. So one day, he didn't know that his brother is coming to kill him, but he didn't success in killing him. So he got very angry. Shivaji got very angry, and he went up and got the best, most royal precious thing of that king, which was the palace. He got the palace, but he was very kind-hearted. He didn't kill anyone around there. He just took the palace, and what he did was just took all the gold things and all there over there. And like this, slowly, slowly, Shivaji went up, winning all the wars and all against Mughal people. And at the end, when he got his son, then after that, slowly, after few days, he was ill for like 12 days, something like that, and he was really very ill. And the whole kingdom was sad for him, very sad, and the whole kingdom was praying for him, but he died within the end of March, and everybody was very sad for him. So that's the story of Shivaji. Thank you.